What's the meaning of AZT? AZT. AZT.
AZT. AZT. AZT is short for azithromycin, a medication used to treat HIV/AIDS. It works by inhibiting the reverse transcriptase enzyme, which is essential for viral replication. AZT was the first antiretroviral medication approved for the treatment of HIV/AIDS and played a significant role in extending the lives of people living with the virus. However, it can also cause side effects such as anemia and nausea and is now typically used in combination with other medications to improve its efficacy and reduce the risk of resistance.